Hello, I will be working through scenario 2 with Miss Nix and her Algebra 1 class, Developing Others. Miss Nix has expressed that she lacks the confidence in her ability to create an engaging learning environment for students. So I would begin our cycles of coaching by first using the approach of situational leadership. I would use this approach in determining what type of teacher she is and where she falls in the quadrants. So then I know what approach I'm going to take on as I start to coach her. Is she one of those newer teachers that I'm going to have to take a more direct approach of coaching, or is she a veteran teacher that just needs some more supporting or delegating? So just identifying those areas before I start even a coaching cycle with her. I would be also using the funnel model for my coaching cycles with her, in that this will allow my questioning to really develop where she is in her goals and outcomes, and really identifying the deep root cause of why she's feeling that the students are not engaged during her lesson, which I think work hand in hand with her confidence. She stated that she is also feeling that she doesn't have quite that confidence in building that engagement. So I think it's really identifying some strategies that are going to get students engaged will also build that confidence that once she sees these students engaged, oh my gosh, I'm doing what they're enjoying the lesson. That's really going to build her up as well. So using that funnel model and our 6 steps to feedback, I would be using with her for that feedback session as we start to go through these cycles of coaching. I would set her up on a weekly cycle of coaching with me. We would work through the funnel model, identifying goals, and then just kind of be flexible to as what we're seeing changing in the classroom instruction and in that teacher behavior. As we see those changes happening, just basing that on possibly, once we start on a weekly, we might go a little longer. I would also be providing her opportunities to watch other teachers as examples of classroom engagement, providing her with some videos that we can both watch together. I would also be using walkthroughs, your observations, student data to really identify how those strategies are working, more of a ratio possibly of student engagement throughout the lesson, really identifying even within what part of the lesson are students not engaged in. But I think giving her a chance to even use teach like a champion strategies, whole brain teaching strategies, Kagan strategies will allow for more of that engagement and confidence build.